Quicksort. So, quicksort is a sorting algorithm that uses divide and conquer strategy. The basic idea behind the quicksort is that we need to select a pivot. A pivot is any number, but when you look the definition of pivot, big sabihin ng pivot is center. So, basically, it is ideal to select the middle element of the array. So, naglagay ako dito ng mga key concept ng quicksort. First is to select a pivot. So, we need to select one of the element, and two, move the pivot to the end. So, after we select a pivot, isa-swap natin siya sa ending element. Number 3, distribute the elements. So, meaning to distribute, after selecting a pivot, distribute the elements. The elements that is larger than the pivot, we move it to the right of the pivot, and the elements that is less than the pivot is we're going to put it in the left side. And after that, repeat the process. We need to select a pivot again, and so on. So, to demonstrate, so first we need to select a pivot. So I am going to select 45 as our pivot. So second step, we need to move it or swap to the end, making this 45 and this 35. And then, sabi is, move the pivot, distribute the elements. So, we have here, so from left to right, no? So, we have here 20. So, 20 is less than 45. So, tama lang yung position ng 20. Nasa left siya. So, 83 is larger than 45. So, we are going to move it to the right side of 45. So to do that, we're going to move the rest to the left, making this 99, 20. So to the rest like that. So 45 is in the right place. Now, we can repeat the process and select another pivot. Now we can select 83 as our pivot. 83 as our pivot. We need to again move the pivot to the end, making this 83 and this 74. Now, as we can see, (45), 74, 99, and 83 is already sorted, so we can box it out and we can select another pivot from the remaining unsorted elements. So we have 20, 28, 37, 35, 16, and 9. So we are going to select another pivot. Now I am going to select 35 as my new pivot. Now again, move the pivot to the end, making this 9 and this one 35. Now 37 is greater than 35, so we need to bring this to the right of the pivot. So as you can see, 35 and 37 is already sorted. So we have only 4 remaining elements. Again, we need to select a pivot. Now I'm going to select 28 as my new pivot. So we need to swap that to 16. After we swap, 28 is in the right position, so we only have 3 remaining elements. Now we are going to select another pivot. Now we are going to select 20 as our new pivot. So we need to swap 20 to 9, making this 9 and making this 20. So as you can see, we already sorted the whole array, making the values from lowest to highest: 9, 16, 20, 28, 35, 37, 45, 74, 99, and 83. So by that process, we can sort the array using quick sort algorithm.